Welcome to Health and Wealth YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss 3 benefits of mustard oil. 1. Promotes skin and hair health. Mustard oil contains high levels of vitamin E, which is known to be beneficial for the skin and hair. Applying mustard oil topically to the skin or hair may help to moisturize and nourish these areas, improving their overall health and appearance. 2. May reduce inflammation. Mustard oil contains compounds called glucosinolates, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming mustard oil or using it topically may help to reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and asthma. May 3. Improve heart health. Mustard oil is a good source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are considered healthy fats that may help to reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Some studies have suggested that consuming mustard oil regularly may reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, mustard oil should be used in moderation as it can be high in saturated fats and may not be suitable for everyone. As always, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thanks for watching.